Best 6 international virtual cards to use. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best international virtual cards that you can use to ease up your payment process, and you can send your payments anywhere. You can receive payments from anywhere, so you can use these cards. These are virtual cards. You don't even have to get an access to a physical card, and you can make your payments online in a very easy way. So let's get into this. So as you all know that virtual cards are very common these days. They make the whole payment process so easy. What you can do is basically get onto the website, get your virtual card, add in your card details, your bank account details, link your card, and you're good to go. You can send your payment online from this virtual card to any other account anywhere in the world in a very easy way and without any tax, not without any tax, but a very minimal amount of tax. So you can basically go on and do that. Your whole process becomes really easy. So what are the 6 best international cards that you can use as your virtual payment partner? So let's look at the first one. First one I have for you is named Slice. What you can do is get onto your browser, enter sliceit.com, and you're gonna get this. Here you can see this is the simplest way to pay. It is trusted by 12 million plus Indians. So it is basically the origin of this card is in India, but you can use this for international payments as well. The most seamless UPI experience. Free yourself from the noise of your typical payments app. Hold and scan or enter amount to make payments. The most flexible way to borrow. Get up to 5 lakhs Indian rupees in just a few clicks. You can also get a loan from this app, your account for everyday payments, add and withdraw money with ease, enjoy up to 2% rewards on spends, and get instant cashback. So here you can see this is a really good app that you can use. What you can do is just click on this download option, and you're going to get a link. You're going to get a scan code that you can download for your Apple, and you can download for your Android differently. So just open your Android application, go onto your Google Play Store and get your app from that. And here you can see that Slice, the simplest way to pay. Just install it and you're good to go. You can basically get your payments in a very easy way. The next platform, the next card that I have for you is EcoPays. You can use it for personal and for business purposes differently. You can generate your EcoPays account from this option, and you can get an EcoPays MasterCard from this option right here. You can send money, you can basically receive money, and here you can see that the card is going to look something like this. Logging in and opening an account is very easy. Just click on this option which says open a free account, and you can see safe and secure payment service. It is also very secure. It is in business from a very long time, so it is a very trustable app that you can use. To create an account, here you can see this. You can add just your account information, username, email address, password, your country, your personal information, your street, your code, your mobile number, and you can just agree to these terms and conditions and click on create an account, and your EcoPays account will be created. Just add yourself up for a MasterCard, and they're going to give you a MasterCard after your verification and everything, and they will ask for your bank account that you want to link to your MasterCard, and you're good to go. You can make payments worldwide in a very easy way. So the good thing about EcoPays is basically it gives you a different option for if you run a business. So you can run a business on EcoPays as well, so you can use that for your business payments, and because they are huge, because the amount is huge, so it is something different. The secure way to send and receive payments. Accept payments around the globe in over 50 countries. Instantly pay anyone anywhere. So EcoPays business is you can EcoPays merchant, and you have affiliates as well, so you can continue and you are good to go. The next platform that I have for you is PayPal. PayPal is basically different from PayPal. You can see it is PYYPL. Do not get that confused. Click here. You can see your money at your fingertips. Send, spend, buy, join 1 million plus happy users worldwide. This is what their account, this is what their basically app looks like, and these are what the cards look like. So you can get your PayPal cards, and as seen in Forbes, the National, Bloomberg, and Khaleej Time, you can see that these platforms, these big news agencies have talked about PayPal, that it is a really good app. So you can basically apply in seconds. You can top up with ease, load with debit card, bank transfer, mobile money, or bill payment terminals, get instant access and manage your money anytime, anywhere. You can shop online, get your virtual MasterCard in seconds, shop online across millions of stores, enjoy unlimited time cashbacks, and pay your bills with a tap of your phone. You can get your physical card, pay on the go, you can do that as well. You can send money from home. Money transfer is easy. You can get security support, you can trust, welcome, and you can keep your payments protected with advanced data encryption. So it is also really good to get started. Just click on this thing and you can get started. You can, first of all, you have to register, you have to download the app, then you have to verify, you have to top up, and then you can start spending. The next app that I have for you is AstroPay. AstroPay is also one of the mobile apps that is going to get you instant access to your money. You can send and receive payments from anywhere. Create your AstroPay account now and start paying online within seconds. Just click on the start and you can download your application for Android and for Apple as well. It is available for both. The benefits of AstroPay is basically it is instant transactions without wasting time. It is easy to use. It is also secure, end-to-end security, guaranteed privacy, and multi-currency deposit and withdraw in your local currency or in US dollars. It's completely up to you, and you can basically see they have added some video tutorials of how to use their platform, and you can also get your gift cards with AstroPay. You can also buy gift cards to pay online. This is fast, secure, and they also give you discounts. So this is basically also a really good platform to start having your money on your virtually, handling your money virtually. You can see history, press carriers, you can see the partners of AstroPay, payment links, you can get a debit card, you can get the crypto and your promos right here. Just click on sign in and you can sign in from here, and then you can go on to your app and you can add in the same account details, and you're basically going to get your card in a couple of seconds. You can see that signing up is so easy. Just what you need to do is get your enter your phone number and you can continue. They're going to send you a verification code and you will be verified for becoming the user of AstroPay. The next app that I have for you is Barter. Barter is also a mobile app. Barter by Flutterware. This is basically the app which allows you to send money to different countries, and you can see that it is trusted by 500,000 people, and you can send money to and from Africa for free, receive money from abroad, create virtual cards for online shopping, and pay bills and make instant payments online. So it is trusted by 100,000 customers. Best real-time currency rates, complete and secure and safe, and zero fee for the cross-border transfer, which is a great thing that it doesn't take any fee for the cross-border transfers. Otherwise, if you are using a normal bank account for your money, for transferring money from different borders, from cross borders, they're going to basically add a lot of tax into your payments, into your transactions, that it will become a little bit burdensome for you to transfer money. But with this app, the cross-border transfers have zero fees, so you can just continue and send and receive money, and you can basically do your transactions without any tension, without any worry of spending anything extra. Here you can see that it has a 3.6 star rating and 12.2k reviews. Check the reviews. I'm sure they're good, and you can see because I'm recommending this app to you because it is good and it is trusted by a lot of people. The last virtual card that I have for you is Skrill, and you can see this is how it's gonna look like. It's a debit card and it is of Skrill. You can just go on and get your Skrill Visa prepaid card for free, deposit money to your Skrill account and spend anywhere Visa is accepted. You can just click on this option right here, register yourself and get your Skrill Visa card in a very easy way. And you can also use Skrill for business, and it is different for business, so you can just go on and check the Skrill business, and they're going to tell you what are the options to start your business and handling your money, your business money on Skrill, because it is different. We built our solutions around you get a business account. You can get a business account. You can basically see your quick checkout, digital wallet, rapid transfer, and shopping cards are right here. Your API guides are right here. You can just click on this register now option and you will be able to register for Skrill. It is also available as a mobile app. You can also use that on the web. It is very easy to use. So here you can see that you have to add your name and your country, email, password, generate your account, register yourself, and you're good to go to use Skrill as your virtual payment partner. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope I was a big help to you, and please like this video and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.